Hi guys, here Carlos Valenzuela from Digital Chaos. Today I have a beautiful product. I think this is going to be the product of 2021 and it is called Creaite. Creaite is a cloud-based software that generates blog posts or articles by using real artificial intelligence, but real one. I'm talking that you cannot tell the difference between a human and the articles this program writes. Whatever I can say in this video is going to be short. Seriously, guys, I don't want to say anything else. I just want you to go to the demo and see it by yourself. The demo takes 6 minutes, okay, but it's really worth to watch it completely. Besides going through a whole tutorial where I'm going to show you the whole program, how it works, you're going to see in real time how it generates in 90 seconds a really nice article, okay? Also want to tell you guys, and I don't want to put any scarcity on you for those that have already bought from me. You know, I'm a straight person. Some of you guys have my personal telephone, my WhatsApp, that you write me by WhatsApp. I always answer everything. I don't want to create any scarcity. I just want to tell you, this product, guys, is launching on Tuesday. Today is Sunday, the 28th of February, 2021. On Tuesday, the program launches, and the price is going to start increasing in $10 every day from Wednesday until Sunday. I'm doing this review in advance because you can get it right now as a pre-launch for $35.90, but on Sunday this product is going to cost $97. Okay, so take action now. And for all of you that may be watching this video after the Sunday 7th of March, I'm sorry for you. I don't want this to happen to you again, so please subscribe to my channel here, activate the bell so you're the first one to know when I release a new video, and you can get it for the best price always. Okay guys, let's go over to the demo. Then we're going to go over to my bonus page. Also want to tell you that the bonus I'm offering today are 4 fantastic bonus that the creator gave me to offer you, but it's also available only until Sunday the 7th of March, okay? After that, I will not have access to the bonus anymore, so I will have to take out the page and create another one. Of course, I'm going to make another one with other bonuses, but are not going to be these 4 bonuses, which are really incredible because these belong to the same program. It's for you to have a better version of this program, okay? So let's go over to the demo now, and then I'm going to show you the prices and upsells and my bonus page, okay? The dashboard. All right, guys, here we're inside Creaite's dashboard, and I'm going to show you very quick how all this works. First of all, down here we have access to all our products, here to download our bonuses, to contact support, the tutorials, but you won't need this because I'm going to show you very quick how this works. It's very easy and simple. White label basically shows you what you can do here is that you can rebrand your own plugin, and you can create folder share pages, okay? But I'm going to show you that later on in another part. Then you have your API key. This is in case you want to integrate Creaite to any of the multiple applications that you can integrate it with. And also, if you're a developer, you can integrate Creaite within your project. Then you have plugin. Plugin here, if you have the white label, as I showed you before, the white label version, you can create and rebrand your own plugin here, or you can download your WordPress plugin here and install it in your WordPress page, and when you create an article, it's going to be posted automatically to your WordPress site. Okay, I'm going to show you that now when we write the article. So here we have the articles. Here we have the dashboard where we started. Here to buy credits. Okay, this program comes with 50 credits, and each article costs 1 credit. So when you use them all, you can get another 100 credits here for $127, or 50 credits for $97, or 25 credits for $67. I strongly recommend you this because here is very cheap. Each credit would be 127 cents. Okay, so we go to articles now, and here we have our folders. Here we can filter by niche, and we click here and we go to create an article. Depending on which version you have, you're going to create a standard article or a Q&A or freestyle. Let's go to standard. You have to choose a niche, okay? So we go here and you have business, health, home improvement, insurance, investing, legal, blah, 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 online marketing, travel, real estate. Let's go to online marketing for this example. And now we have to choose a sub niche. So within online marketing, we have affiliate marketing, blogging, e-commerce, email marketing, SEO, video marketing, and web design. Let's go to affiliate marketing. Okay, now here we select our language. It could be English, Chinese, German, French, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, whatever you want. So, but for this example, as I'm doing this review in English, we're going to click on English. So we're going to generate one article. We're going to save it to no folder. I don't care right now. And this is very important, guys. here we have to put a phrase just to guide this AI machine to create this article. So let's go and search for a phrase on the internet. All right, so I search on the internet, affiliate marketing, what is it? And I arrived to this blog page, which I'm going to copy, for example, here the title, copy and paste. We're going to go to articles and we're going to put this prompt here. Now we're going to click on start, and it's going to take us between 60 and 90 seconds to generate the article. So I'm going to pause this and wait until it's finished, okay? Okay, it already finished, and this is our article. It says affiliate marketing, how to make affiliate checks. You see, so it's totally different from the other one. This is the phrase we used to start, okay? And now this is the article it has written. I'm going to read this now, guys, so you can see that there's no way how to tell that this was written by a machine, okay? It says, it's about time you started learning about affiliate marketing in the 21st century, because what affiliate marketing has been doing since 2010. You may have heard about it in a book, on the internet, or somewhere on the net. If you haven't heard about it yet, you will soon enough. Affiliate marketing is a model of internet based upon approach which gives large amounts of income to anyone who can drive traffic to affiliate site. Affiliate marketing is not a quick get-rich scheme, but it's not a way to make millions overnight. Affiliate marketing is a way of making an income with the internet. This is no different to the way newspapers were sold before Google, and blah blah blah. Okay guys, so now you can go here and edit it or post it to WordPress. But I always recommend you first to edit it. We're gonna take this phrase out, which is the one we used to get the article, so it's totally unique now. And you can always put whatever you want here, your name, your own style, add affiliate links if you want, if you have anything, and then you can save the changes and you will have your article here or within a folder, whatever you want. If you have the plugin installed in your WordPress, you can post it directly to your WordPress site, okay? Otherwise, what you can do is you open this after you have edited it, or you can edit it in your WordPress and copy, paste. That's it. As simple as that. All right, guys, that was a demo. As you can see, the program is just unbelievable. So now I'm going to show you the prices and upsells for you to know how much would this be for you, okay? And I'm going to go through my bonuses that I told you are only available until Sunday the 7th of March 2021, okay? All right, guys, so here we are inside my personal bonus page. As you can see, it has my name on top here, Carlos Digital Chaos. Well, first of all, I want to tell you that if you click on any of these buttons here, it's going to take you directly to the sales page, which is going to look very similar to this one, okay? It's going to look like this, okay? But it doesn't have my name on it. So if we scroll down here, I'm going to show you the prices, which is what I was talking to you before, okay? There you go. These are the prices that I'm giving you now and until Wednesday. From then on, they're going to go $10 each day until they reach $97. The first one is Create Lite, and the difference between Lite and Pro Agency is just the number of credits. Here you get 15 credits, and you need 1 credit per article, remember? And this one, here you get 50 credits. And the price difference is only $2. So really, I don't recommend you this one. You should get this one. This one is going to be $97. This is going to be $77 after launch. Well, now I want to show you the prices and the upgrades. You know now the prices for the front end, but for the upgrades, the first one is Create Agency Plus. This one has a cost of $1 right now, and after that, $47 every month. Okay, so you get like almost 1 month for free right now. First of all, you're going to unlock 70 new niches, but also you're going to be able to lock your monthly credits at the launch price discount with this one, okay? And this will ensure you have credits as part of your arsenal every single month, okay? So this is important because you can also buy the credits separately, but they're going to be much more expensive. For $47 a month, I think this is very worth to have credits all the time as a cheaper price. Then the upgrade number 2 is Create Booster Bundle, and here you're going to be able to unlock 3 powerful features. The first one is unlocking the hyperwriter feature. This means that you're going to be creating 5 articles at a time, and all of them unique. Secondly, you will unlock the language selection writer. This will help you to create content in up to the 12 most popular languages in the world. And last but not least, you'll be able to unlock the Q&A writer, which really gives your content a powerful angle for creating content around your niche's biggest pain points, questions, and concern. This will be a $97 one-time fee. Upgrade number 3 is Create Connect. With this one, you're going to be able to connect create with your plugin and post directly to your WordPress site. Okay, guys, you can also just copy and paste the content into your WordPress site, but if you want to post it automatically, you need this one, and this costs $47 as a one-time fee. And finally, the upgrade for is Create White Label. As I'm going to give you agency rights as a bonus, okay, and you are using this to create content for your clients, what you don't want to know is that your clients know that you are using Create to make the content, of course. So with this one, you can rebrand your own WordPress plugin so they will never realize that you're using Create, okay? This has a price of $297 as a one-time fee. And you can also install this plugin in all the sites you want, no limit, okay? Now let's show you my bonuses. And my bonus number one is free access to write content in 25 additional niches. This one has a value of $297, okay? Then the second one is access to the agency license, as I told you before. Okay, so if you want to sell your content, you need the agency rights, which has a value of $497, and I'm giving to you completely for free with if you purchase through my link. Just remember that this page is only up until the Sunday 7th of March. Okay. Then my bonus number three is access to Create Containers feature. This has a value of $97, and with this you are going to be able to create different containers. So if you want to separate your work from different clients in each container and don't get messed up, okay? And finally, bonus number four is access to our container sub-access feature. This has a value of $97. This goes hand in hand with the bonus mentioned above. Why? Because with this one, you can give access to someone else. Let's say if you don't post directly to your customer's page, you just give him the content you created. With this one, you can give them access so they can access the content directly from your Create application without you having to send them the content, okay? So you create a sub-access and they will be able to access to it, okay? Fantastic. And those are my bonuses. Remember, guys, only valid until Sunday, the 7th of March, 2021. After that, this page is going down. All right, guys, and that was it. Remember to click on the link down below in my description and hurry up before the price increases, okay? Like I told you, the price is going to be increasing in $10 a day until Sunday, the 7th, which is going to cost $97. Also, like I said before, if you're watching this video after the Sunday, 7th of March, I'm sorry, but that's why I recommend you to subscribe to my channel here, activate the bell so you don't miss any of these videos anymore, and you're the first to know when I release a new video and a new offer, okay? If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, come on and give me a thumbs down, no problem. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell. And if you have any questions, anything, just leave me a comment down below and I will answer you as soon as possible. Thank you for staying all the way to the end with me. Stay cool, stay safe, and take it easy. See you in the next one.